Here's something. For those of you that got clear coats where the hood, roof, and truck have peeled but the base coat's exposed, here the clear coat, you can see the gloss right here on the clear coat. Can you get that gloss? Okay, you see the reflection and stuff. But, you know, maybe you can't paint the car anytime soon. But you want, if you use this system right here, Lukat Fix It and Lukat Easy Wax, you'll be able to make that shine again. Let me show you what I mean. Hey, there goes my airplane again. I tell you. Anyway, it's perfect. Look at that. I mean, if you don't have to drive around with an oxidized paint job, if it's chalky and flat and ugly, you can still bring it out. Look at that.
Oh yeah, came out, yeah.
That's beautiful. Okay, now something about base coats. If you don't know what I'm talking about, before they started putting on clear coats, back in the day, that's 88 down, they would add a hardener and a gloss to the color and shoot the paint job with the real paint job. Now they put a color with no hardener, no gloss, and they shoot a clear coat over it. So when you use this wax here, it's going to hold the shine. In other words, use the wax, Easy Wax. For this, we strongly recommend that you use Easy Wax. Remember, the cleaner has no shine. All it's going to do is going to clean, and then the wax is going to seal it up, leave a beautiful glossy shell. And look how beautiful that comes out. That's done. Now, if you know how to wet sand, if you don't know how to wet sand, we'll produce videos later on. But all you have to do is do a feather touch right here on the edge. I use 1,000, but you can go 1,500. But spray water on here, sand it down lightly. You're removing where the clear coat is brittle and coming off. And what you do, you blend this, you polish the base coat by hand. Don't use a machine when you're doing this close of a work on the edges. You can use a machine on the clear coat right here. You can just rub back and forth, but you'll be able to blend them. You just got to remove, this stuff's already flaking off. Look at that. Can you get that? Yeah. See, with sandpaper, this will come off, and you know, you want to end up right about here. I just scratched it on purpose, but I would probably sand off this much. Right around the decal, I probably would end right at the decal, but I could polish this out and polish this out. Blend them. It's, you know, it's doable. So if you know how to wet sand, cool. You know what I'm talking about, feather touch, and then just blend it. If you don't worry about it. Watch some, we'll be posting videos in the future, you can see them. Go and hit that. Oh.